Welcome back to the Math Inquiry Based Learning on the property of numbers. We have been seeing in the past two short videos on how to make observations from an image prompt and how to take different numbers and a mathematical recording tool to do a verification if our observation holds true for all kind of numbers or not. I hope you have taken some rough draft on it. Let's see how we can do it. You can actually take possible numbers, right? And then do a verification and then a conclusion. So here in the prompt, actually, we see 2 plus 3, which means it's an odd number and an even number. So maybe that holds true, but what happens if both are an even number, right? 2 plus 4 is 6 and 4 plus 2 is also 6. So your observation of the total remains same when you add either way is true. Let's take both odd numbers like 1 plus 3 is 4 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, that is also holding true. And two-digit numbers maybe like 12 and 13 which forms 25. Okay, that is also true, right? These are basic changes that you can make in different numbers. But for a higher upper level primary students, what kind of other numbers do you think you can check? Let's pause here and think for a while. What are the different numbers that you know can remember of? Let's proceed further now after a pause. So you can think of fractions. So does this kind of an observation works for fractions or for decimal numbers or for negative numbers? Yes, as you could see in this table, mathematical recording tool, it is true for all the cases. And for those children who are inquisitive, you can also check for different combinations of negative numbers, right? Which the kind of lead you to understand is this kind of observation that can be hold true for universally for all numbers. So after doing this, you can actually start the inspection. The inspection process will help us understand, okay, we made an observation, we verified it holds true, but why do you think this is working fine? And is there some name that we can give to this so that you can make it as a general property or something like that? Let's take a pause here, find out ideas on how to inspect this and understand why this works in a particular way and your observation holds true. We'll see you again.